Ever find yourself scrambling to prepare a meal after a long day at work? It's a common struggle, with the clock ticking, energy levels dipping, and inspiration for healthy meals often missing in action. If this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Imagine a world where your meals are ready when you are. Now, let's bring this world to life with the power of meal prep. Meal prep is a simple concept, but it's a game changer. It's all about preparing your meals in advance, typically for the week ahead. It's like having a personal chef who knows exactly what you like and how you like it. Now, why meal prep? Well, it's a time saver. Instead of spending hours every day deciding what to eat, shopping, cooking, and cleaning, you can do it all in one go. It's a stress reducer. Say goodbye to last-minute panic and hello to peace of mind. But it's not just about convenience. Meal prep promotes healthier eating habits. You're in control of what goes into your meals, ensuring they're balanced and nutritious. And with a plan in place, you're less likely to indulge in unhealthy last-minute choices. It's time to make that world a reality. The key to successful meal prep is planning. It's not just about throwing together a bunch of ingredients in a pot and hoping for the best. It's about being deliberate, strategic, and methodical. Let's start with step 1, choosing your recipes. Don't just think about what you want to eat right now, but consider what you'll enjoy eating a few days from now. Variety is the spice of life, so mix up your menu with different types of cuisine, experiment with new dishes, or even revisit some old favorites. Once you've chosen your recipes, it's time for step 2, making a shopping list. Go through each recipe and jot down the ingredients you need. Don't forget to check your pantry for items you already have. This will save you time, money, and the frustration of over-purchasing. Now to the final step, scheduling time for meal prep. This is an essential part of the planning process. Whether it's an hour on a Sunday evening or a few minutes each morning, make sure to carve out a dedicated time to get your meals ready for the week. The beautiful thing about planning is that it eliminates stress. You don't have to worry about what's for dinner or scramble for last-minute grocery runs. Instead, you can look forward to wholesome, home-cooked meals that are ready when you are. Remember, a well-planned meal is a half-prepared meal. So, let's get planning. Now, on to the fun part, cooking. Cooking for meal prep doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, with the right strategies, it can be a breeze. Let's explore some tips that can make your cooking process efficient and enjoyable. First off, let's talk about batch cooking. This is your best friend when it comes to meal prep. Instead of cooking one meal at a time, why not make several portions at once? This approach not only saves time, but also ensures you have a variety of meals ready to go. You can batch cook grains like rice or quinoa, proteins like chicken or tofu, and even roast a whole tray of veggies. Simply portion them out into your meal prep containers and you're good to go. Next, consider using versatile ingredients. These are ingredients that can be used in a variety of dishes. Think sweet potatoes, bell peppers, beans, or chicken breasts. These ingredients can be prepared in multiple ways and added to different meals throughout the week, reducing waste and saving you time. Another great tip is to make meals that freeze well. Soups, stews, and casseroles are perfect for this. You can make a large batch, portion it out, and then freeze what you won't eat right away. This way, you'll always have a homemade meal ready to go, even on those days when you don't have time to cook. Don't forget about your kitchen appliances. Slow cookers, pressure cookers, and even rice cookers can be a huge time saver. They do most of the work for you, leaving you free to do other things. Lastly, keep it simple. You don't have to make complicated meals to eat healthily. Often, the simplest meals are the most delicious and satisfying. Remember, meal prep is all about making your life easier, so experiment and find what works best for you. With these tips, you'll be a meal prep master in no time. Ready to get started? Here are some meal prep ideas to inspire you. Let's kick things off with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. A great option for a grab-and-go meal is overnight oats. Simply combine rolled oats with your choice of milk, yogurt, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Add in some chia seeds for an extra boost of nutrients. Mix it all together, pop it into a jar, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. wake up to a ready-to-eat, nutrient-packed breakfast. You can top it with fresh fruits or nuts, and vary the flavors each day. For those who prefer a savory start, how about prepping a batch of mini frittatas? Whisk together eggs, cheese, and your choice of veggies. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake until set. These protein-packed bites are perfect for busy mornings. Moving on to lunch, consider a quinoa salad. It's versatile, healthy, and can be customized to your liking. Cook up a big batch of quinoa at the beginning of the week. Each day, toss in different veggies, proteins, and dressings to keep things interesting. Alternatively, you could prepare a hearty soup. Soups are a great way to pack in a variety of vegetables and proteins. Plus, they can be easily reheated, making them a convenient choice for workdays. Now, let's talk dinner. Sheet pan meals are the epitome of simplicity. Try roasting chicken, fish, or tofu alongside a medley of vegetables on a single pan. The possibilities are endless, and the cleanup is minimal. Another dinner idea is stir-fry. It's a quick and easy way to use up any leftover vegetables in your fridge. Pair it with some brown rice or noodles, and you've got a balanced meal. Don't forget about snacks. Planning your snacks can help you avoid those unhealthy vending machine trips. A handful of nuts, some fresh fruit, or even a homemade granola bar can keep you fueled between meals. And for those with a sweet tooth, try prepping some Greek yogurt parfaits. Layer yogurt with fresh fruit and granola in a jar, and you've got a delicious and healthy dessert ready to go. Remember, the key to successful meal prep is variety. Don't be afraid to mix it up and try new combinations. It's all about finding what works for you and fits into your busy schedule. Keep in mind that all these meals can be prepared in advance and stored in the fridge or freezer. This way, you'll always have something healthy and satisfying to eat, no matter how busy your day gets. Also, don't feel pressured to prepare a whole week's worth of meals in one go. Start small, maybe by prepping just a few days at a time. As you get the hang of it, you can gradually increase the number of meals you prepare. With these ideas, you'll never be stuck for what to eat again. In a nutshell, meal prep is your secret weapon for eating well on a tight schedule. It's a game changer, a time saver, and a health enhancer all rolled into one. Let's take a moment to circle back to the key points we've covered today. We started with the real struggle of balancing a busy schedule with the need to eat healthily. It's a challenge we all face, but the solution is simpler than you might think: meal prep. We then delved into the power of meal prep, highlighting how it can save you time, reduce stress, and ensure you always have a nutritious meal at your fingertips. It's about planning for success, setting yourself up with a roadmap of what to eat and when, reducing those last-minute takeout orders or unhealthy snack grabs. Next, we shared some smart cooking tips to make your meal prep even more efficient. From batch cooking to using versatile ingredients, these strategies can shave off valuable time in the kitchen while still delivering delicious and nutritious meals. Finally, we explored some exciting meal prep ideas, from protein-packed breakfast bowls to hearty grain salads and easy stir-fry dinners. These ideas are not only healthy and delicious, but also adaptable to your personal taste and dietary needs. Remember, meal prep is not about perfection, but about progress. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time, leading to a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. It might seem daunting at first, but once you get started, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So don't wait another minute. Embrace the power of meal prep and transform your eating habits today.